Hi, this is Shazim from Shazim Tricks. Today I am going to share with you magic skin spot remover in Photoshop actions. Yes, it's really magic Photoshop actions. You can use these actions. I'm so much happy to provide for everyone these magic Photoshop actions. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, open your Photoshop software, then go to File, then click on Open. Select your any image, which image you want to apply magic skin spot remover actions. I choose this photo. It's a Freckles skin and so much spot on the skin, and this all spot easily can remove by these Photoshop actions. So now you need to do load the Photoshop actions. So go to window menu, then click on the actions or press Alt and function 9. And now I load the Photoshop actions from here. Load actions. I will totally full free download link in this video description box. Check the video description box and download these magic screen spot remover actions. Select the screen spot remover actions and click on the load. Now easily select the screen spot remover actions and click on the play button. Now click on the continue and the message from me for everyone. Read the message, click on the stop and see the magic now. Just click on any spot on your skin and see the magic. It's automatically removed very smoothly and softening. Take some time to remove all spot from skin. It's really a magic spot remover and magic Photoshop actions. You can realize that after download these actions. I hope these actions like everyone. So don't miss this magic Photoshop actions. Now it's completed and see the output. There is the before and there is the after. See the magic. Now this time I used another Photoshop actions. So load this another Photoshop actions. Skin Retouch actions by Shazim Tricks. Load. Select the top layer, magic eraser, and hold press Alt Control Shift E for apply the current image. And now select the layer 1, then select skin retouching Photoshop actions, second loaded retouching action, then click on the play button. For apply the skin softening action, select the Gaussian blur radius. I select 10 pixels, then click on OK, and now high pass radius 2 pixels, then click on OK. Finally click on stop. Add this top layer 1 copy. Make sure to select this black mask layer and again drag on your face for smooth skin. Now it will be smooth skin at all. Now see the output. You can opacity decreases low and flow decreases low, and the layer opacity you may decreases low. Yeah, now it's perfectly retouching skin. There is the before and there is the after. You can also use color balance. For another image example, select this image and then open, and same way just select the magic spot remover action first and click on the play button. Continue. After close then drag on your skin for smoothly remove all spot. Opacity and flow increases fully high 100%. And now select same way, select the top layer and click on the and press alt control shift E for apply current image. Then select this top layer and select the second skin retouching actions. Click on the play button, then click on OK and again click on OK. Now of this top layer, make sure to select the black mask layer and now again drag on your face for smooth skin. It's really a magic spot remover actions. So don't miss these free Photoshop actions. I hope this skin retouching actions helped you. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us like and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates.